It's all in the details. With the original mini door pins, you can individualize your Mini even more. They are available in different designs. 2 mini door pins are included per package. To install them, make sure the door pins are clean. Pull the protective film off the self-adhesive insert. Out with the old. Enclose the old pin with the self-adhesive insert and pull it carefully but firmly out of the door. In with the new. When pressing in the new door pin, operate the door opener to create counter pressure. The new pin is inserted in the same place. Look closely if the door pin is pressed in far enough when the car is locked. Stylish all around. Repeat the process on all doors. Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.